The element of water is represented also with an inverted triangle. This marks the subconscious, which is the place that these symbols speak to us.
This principle becomes apparent in the symbol of dark, the prism.
It has to be drunk.
Through the prism, the light is refracted and visible in the form of the 7 spectral colours.
This potion might paralyze me. Might make me forget why.
Those correspond to the 7 lower
I
Sephiroth.
beg for relief. You are not to indulge these requests.
The prism is considered the cornerstone of the world, as described in the Zohar.
Force it down my throat. Understood?
That when the Holy One, blessed be
Because
He,
I'm much older.
was about to create the world,
Much cleverer.
He detached one precious stone from underneath His throne of glory and plunged it into the abyss,
You've got health, Harry.
out of which the world started, spreading itself to right and left and into all directions, and by which it is sustained. That nucleus, that stone, is called Evan Shetiar, foundation, as it was the starting point of the world.
At this level, you will be focusing on the inverted primary triangle, with the apex pointing downwards at the center of the Sri Yantra. This central triangle is called the Kamakala and is considered the most creative point in the universe. The central triangle is the first outcome or effect of the central bindu, which is the dot in the middle's energy flow. And so at this level, anything you wish to accomplish to succeed, you are granted or given the accomplishment. You see, now that you have all of this, think about, realize, and become aware of the entire package. You have to believe what you just created will give you everything that you want, whether it's mind, body, spirit, or wealth. The energy of it fits into this inner triangle.
Promise I'll do what you
The
say.
3 corners of the triangle represent 3 fundamental tendencies of existence. And these are desire, which is ichcha, knowledge, which is jnana, and activity, which is kriya. Reaching this point in self-realization brings you very close to bliss. Something else that we're going to talk about in level 9 in a little bit more in detail is the bindu. The bindu, which is the dot in the center of the Sri Yantra. It is a very powerful thing. The bindu is represented and literally means creation.
Water.
Water.